you guys. Weekly video. Um, we are in chapter 2 now. And so chapter 2 is where you're going to go, obviously, to find all of the stuff for this unit. I'm sitting in chapter 2.1 and 2.2, and this is October 14th through the 20th. And you will see our agenda as well as my Zoom times. Make sure if you need help with your test or if you have questions before taking your test, I'm live. Hop on there. You don't have to stay the full time. But from 9 to 9:45 on Wednesdays for math, and then for my accelerated math class on Wednesdays, I'm 10:45 to 11:30. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10:30 to 11. I'm actually going to make this a little bit bigger. My accelerated class, you guys have the same things listed. Your agenda just looks a little bit different. But in class, we are doing the lessons this week. So you won't have any notes for this week. So you'll notice nothing is highlighted here to have done before class. But things that you need to complete at home, you need to complete your chapter 1 test. This is on Big Ideas. And so you'll go to Big Ideas, click on chapter 1 test. You'll take the test, make sure that you show your work for it. And then you're actually going to post a picture in Schoology of your showing work page for your test. Make sure that I can read it, because if I can't read it, then I can't give you any points back. If you don't show your work, then you can't get partial credit. And so if you miss a problem, then the whole thing is wrong. There's no calculators on this test. So that's the first thing you have to do is take your test. And then the next thing listed is Big Ideas and your Big Ideas Showing Work page assignment. You can't do these until you meet with me to learn chapter 2, which is 2.1 and 2.2. And we're doing that in class. And so you will need to wait to do your Big Ideas assignment until you come to class. And then once you come to class, you'll know how to do chapter 2.1 and 2.2. And so you will be able to complete that homework. Inside the folder, like I said, you will see chapter 1 test. It's telling you go to Big Ideas, take the test, make sure you show your work. And then you're going to post your showing work page right here in this assignment. And make sure that I can read it. I put a little note here. If you are absent from class for whatever reason this week, please email me so that way I can send you the video notes. So I did make video notes for those that aren't here or aren't able to be with us in class. But I will send you those notes via email if you will just email me to let me know that you will not be in class this week. And then here is your Big Ideas Showing Work page. You're just going to, again, complete the homework for 2.1 and 2.2. I merged those two assignments together, so it's just one assignment. And then you'll show your work for it, and then you will post the picture here. Again, make sure that I can read it. That's all we have for this week. If you have any questions, like I said, hop on that Zoom, email me. I'm here for you guys. This week, if you've made it this far in the video, I want you to email me. And in this email, I want you to tell me how many pets you have, what kind of pets you have, and what their names are. If you do not have any pets, then that's okay. Tell me what kind of pet would you want if you could have a pet. And so send me that. I'll give you guys some links bucks. And I'm going to let you guys get started on your work.